This is Father Don for Terra Fossils, the 30 Days of Wine of Madness. That's a Heart of Healthy campaign. So I'm going to come here today to talk to you about the origin of the toast, here's a mud in your eye. Well, I can tell you, this happened a long time ago, thousands of years ago. How do I know this? Because of San Giovanni, write about it in the Bible. San Giovanni write, one day Jesus would go out for a walk, and the blind guy, somebody tell him, and Jesus coming by, he said, "Hey, Jesus, help a brother out." So Jesus said, "Okay, aspetta, give me a second, I'll help you out." So Jesus take a little bit of dirt from the road. They had a lot of dirt roads back then. Take a little bit of dirt from the road, and he spit in it. But he not go no. He do it real quiet. So nobody can hear what he do. So he said, "Okay, blind guy, come on over here." And he take the mud and he put it on the blind guy's eyes. Now the blind guy, he let him put the mud on his eye because he not know he spit in it. He's a blind guy. So in any case, he said, "Now, blind guy, you go down to the well, you wash this medicine off your eyes, and your eyes feel much better." So the blind guy, he go down to the well, he wash the water off, and he can see. So what do you know about that? So then, a few days later, Jesus at a wedding. Jesus liked to go to weddings. He's at the wedding, and everybody say, "Oh, hey, Jesus, here's a mud in your eye," ha 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 ha, because they know that Jesus make a miracle. So whenever anybody say, "Here's a mud in your eye," that means you're gonna get a miracle from a Jesus. So, for Terra Fossils, the 30 Days of Wine and Madness, here's the mud in your eye.